Hi, my name is Katie, and in this video, we're going to go over our 1040 individual tax return job templates. First thing you want to do is go ahead and click Get for Free. Then you can go to your firm templates under Jobs. Then you want to open that job template. Here you can see we have the template name, our job name. Now these can be different. They do not have to be the same. We've got our description that is assigned to the roles of the manager and the preparer, but you can also assign it to specific team members if you prefer. We have a due in 180 days, but this can obviously be changed. You can do it in a certain amount of days, years, months. The choice is yours, or you can choose absolute dates and select the date that you want it to be done. So for an individual tax return here in the United States, we are going to choose April 15th. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And that will update that date. You can also choose a 2-week deadline or any other deadline that you would like for your in-house dates. You also have your intake and internal deadlines, which you can change. Also, so you can put the date that you received all the documents and then your internal date deadline that you want it to be done by. So these can be two different setups. One is going to be the setup for the whole job. One can be the setup for just a specific person, which you can change as you go. We also have a time budget here. This you can add in if you want the tax return, you want it to take a total of 2 hours between preparing and reviewing. You can set that timer. So when you do a time entry, that will go and you link it to your job, it will go ahead and count towards this time. It will let you know if you overestimated your time budget or if you underestimated your time budget and went over the time. For your priority, you can choose how important this job is, and you can choose from any one of these options. You're also able to select a client-facing job status to start off your job, or add, and then you'll be able to add comments or wiki pages to your job once you set it up. We're going to go ahead and save and exit, and we're going to set up a job to show what it looks like. So we're going to go New, Add, go to our test account. We're going to select a pipeline that we want to use. Going to start on the first stage. We can select the template that we want to use. It's going to, again, show the name of the template. We're going to show your roles. You've got your manager and your preparer, any time budgets you have set up, your start dates and due dates for both your overall tax return information and for the specific client. It also gives you the description and the option to select a client-facing status. I'm going to go ahead and click Add. This is going to start off your job, so it's going to send the email. If you have a new client tag or if they have a returning client tag, it will depend on which email they get. Then they're also going to get the proposal, an organizer. They're going to see a client-facing status of waiting for client, and it's going to select their tax prep new tax year folder. We can go ahead and click Move, and that way the whole job card pops up. So here's our full job card. You want to think of this as your manila folder. Everything is going to go into this job card. You can scroll down to the bottom and you can leave notes, comments on this job card. You're also able to add notes, client requests, chats, proposals, documents, tasks, and everything else from this list to be linked to your job card. Again, it's like a middle envelope. You want everything from this job to be added to this folder. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.